Kapamilya, ako po si Laura Liman at nandito ako ngayon sa bahay ng isa sa mga former Ateneo Blue Eagles who led his team to 5 UAAP championships, and aside from that, he was even 2-time finals MVP. Samahan niyo kong bisitahin ang ating UAAP idol for the day, Nico Salva. Tara, let's go! Hello! Hi Nico, nice to see you again.
Welcome.
Thank you for inviting us.
Of course.
So Nico, among these pairs, which one is your favorite? Kasi parang ang dami na.
I think this is a Kobe 2, signed by Kobe. Right here.
Sa Shell, Kobe. So Nico, unang-una, ano bang feeling na nanalo kayo ng 5 UAAP championships?
It's still so surreal to win 5 championships in 5 years. I was just very lucky to be in Ateneo at that time.
And now that you're in the professional league, what do you miss most about UAAP?
I think mga an hour before the game, you hear the drums, you hear the crowd, and the passion that everyone has when you're out there, when you're playing.
Okay, and how was your transition going from UAAP into the professional league?
It was quite hard, lots of ups and downs in the pros, but it's a journey that I enjoy. May daming trials and challenges, but I wake up every day excited, wanting to get better, wanting to improve myself.
Was it difficult playing against coaches that coached you during UAAP?
Yeah, it was, kasi of course I love Coach Norman, and I had to have some time getting adjusted sa PBA of seeing Coach Norman in a different team.
Ano ba ang advice mo sa lahat ng mga aspiring basketball players?
Just give your best each and every day. Work hard, dedicate yourself to the craft, and make sure to play for the honor and glory of God and nothing else. And to the players, it's not gonna come easy. You have to really work for it. It's a process. You have to put the work day in and day out.
So Nico, congratulations on your championship, and thank you very much for agreeing to visit us here in UAAP. Kapamilya, my name is Laura Liman. Abangan niyo po ang mga iba't ibang UAAP idols na bibisitahin namin dito lang sa Upfront at the UAAP.